next town or something.
Hello from Amalfi. We're on a yacht, as you can see. We're on here for 5 days and we're just traveling all around the Amalfi Coast. It was a bit of a rainy day yesterday, as you would have seen, but today is so sunny, it's so hot, it's so beautiful. Currently on our way to Positano. We're going to have lunch and a swim there, and then later on today we're going to Capri. We made it to Capri. This is where we're staying for the night, so I think we're just going to do some exploring this afternoon, go out for dinner later on. The boat ride though was just absolutely insane. Just a once in a lifetime thing, and it was just everywhere you looked was so beautiful. I've just been sitting here and reading for a little bit. I'm currently reading Daisy Jones and the Six. I'm about halfway through and I'm enjoying it so far. But I'm just trying to read it slowly because it's the only book I've brought with me and I want to make sure that I've got a book to read the whole time. Honestly, today has just been the most beautiful day ever. The food and the weather has just been beautiful. I'm just going to keep reading my book for a little bit and then go to dinner. Good morning from Capri. We're going to be in Capri just exploring the town until about midday today, and then we're going to have some lunch and then set sail. We've got about 4 or 5 hours worth of sailing to do till we get to the next island, so we'll get there around 6 o'clock, and that's all the plans we've got so far. I've got my favourite little Win Hamlin dress on today. It's the perfect dress for Capri, and it's another hot and sunny day. We've been sailing now for 3 hours and we're nearly there. We've come from over there, that's Capri. Capri is so good. We made it to the island of Ischia. It's time to explore. The beach was so beautiful. It was so nice to have a swim after such a hot day. I'm back in my favourite spot on the front of the boat, reading my book. But yeah, tonight I think we're actually just going to make some dinner on the boat rather than going out. I think we're going to make like spaghetti bolognese or something, which will be very delicious, I'm sure, because we're using all the local fresh ingredients and it just tastes so much better than back home. But yeah, this time of night is just my favourite. It's currently 7:30. It's so nice because it's not too hot, but the sun's still out. I just still can't believe I'm here. I'm so grateful. Good morning. It is sailing day 3 today. I can't believe how fast it's gone. Today we're sailing to our last island stop, which is Procida. I think we're going to be leaving pretty soon. It's another beautiful day today. And it's been really busy in the marina this morning because there's a fishing competition going on over the next 2 days. And so all the boats are getting ready to go out. This is what I'm wearing today. I've got these cute little red and white striped Caitlin Chris shorts. I thought they're very like yachting, sailing vibes. Just this baggy t-shirt. And that's the look. I love it. And we were off for our very last day of sailing. What a great spot for a swim. Lunchtime. We've made it to our very final stop. We're in Procida. I'm very sad about it. I've had such a good time on the boat. We're still sleeping here tonight, but we're getting up early tomorrow to catch a ferry. But yeah, it's around 2 o'clock. We're just going to do a little bit of exploring. For a swim at the beach, and now we're gonna go get some gelato. I'm very excited. Gelato over here is just incredible. I just started picking up all my stuff. We're staying on the boat tonight, but we're leaving early in the morning tomorrow. But I'm just feeling sad because I've really loved doing this yacht trip. It's just been the most beautiful weather, the best conditions, and just the food and the culture and everything is just insane. Everywhere I look, it's just so beautiful and so different to home. So yeah, I am a little bit sad for it to be coming to an end. But we're not even halfway through our overall Italy trip yet, so we've still got lots more fun things to come. Tomorrow we're going to Minore, which we're going to be there for a few days. And then after that we're going further up north to Venice, Lake Como and Milan, which will also be very nice. Tonight we're just going to soak in the last few minutes together as a family because we've got some of my extended family here as well. I'm going to go out for dinner. But yeah, I thought I'd end this vlog here. Stay tuned for more Italy vlogs. They will definitely be coming. Thanks for watching and I hope you've enjoyed.